So, good evening, good people. This is Evewin Lakra. Just want to tell you all about my second Flipkart Minutes order. Let me show you what I purchased at late night time. It's around 8:30 p.m. here in parts of our city, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, India. And these are the products I purchased recently from Flipkart Minutes. This is the chips, classic salted chips from the brand Diamond and Yellow Diamond. And the quantity of this product is 60 grams pack each, and I purchased 9 of these pack, and the MRP which is written on the packet is ₹20. As you can see over here, ₹20 Indian rupee is the maximum retail price of this product, and I got this product at a wonderful discount for just ₹12 per pack. So I bought 9, so 12 into 9 I paid for this chips, Yellow Diamond brand chips. Okay, the second product is Ashirwad brand Select, Ashirwad Swasti Select milk, liquid milk. The MRP is 28, I paid just ₹1. Isn't it wonderful? This is the Nashta brand bread, small bread, 200 grams pack, 23 Indian rupees the price of this product. But Flipkart was giving offer, Flipkart Minutes. I paid around 19 rupees, I think, for the bread. 14 or 19 rupees, I have to check. And this is the Sunfeast brand Bourbon biscuit. Again, the MRP is ₹30. I paid 14 each. I bought 2 pack, so 28 rupees, 2 pack of Bourbon Dark Fantasy Sunfeast biscuit. Again, bought the lasun or garlic, 3 piece I got for ₹10. And this is the chana dal or matar dal, they have written on the pack, and 36 I paid, I think. So all these products I bought from Flipkart Minutes for just ₹150, because I got 50 rupees additional discount from Flipkart Minutes. So thumbs up to Flipkart Minutes.